Mac, 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 Mac for me! Unboxing time. Okay, let me explain. Matagal ko na pong alam na merong Mac po sa Ximending. And dahil nga maraming nagtatanong, hindi po yung from Taiwan ang nagtatanong. Marami po yung from the Philippines na nagtatanong kung saan ba ang Mac sa Ximending. So, para talaga makapag-picture ako sa Mac, I decided to go there and try their products. Bakit ako hindi bumili ng Mac? Because I'm using Mary Kay products. Yun lang siya. And syempre, marami pang ibang products na pwede natin bilhin, diba? But anyways, I bought something na hindi mo talaga mabibili kahit saan dito sa mga beauty shops sa Taiwan. So, thank you, Mac, for this beautiful paper bag. So, ang binili ko po ay lip liner. And then, meron pala silang set. So, it costs me 1,500 something. And, of course, I bought the special MAC. I know you can just use any other sharpener. Pero, syempre, gusto ko set. So, let's try it. And let's open muna. Yan. This is the sharpener. That's for the lip liner. Kasi, syempre, uso ngayon yung mag-lip liner, diba? Try natin yung lip liner ng MAC kung maganda ba. Kasi I've never had a lip liner. So, mas maganda yung talagang the best. So, ganyan lang siya. Kasimple. So, may maliit at may malaki. Yan. Now, let's open this set. Maganda ang kulay. Natural lang sa lip color. It actually is the color of my lips. So, try natin. Oh, ganyan na siya. Pagbukas mo, ganyan na siya. So, we'll just pour it out. That's the lip liner. And, hello, where's the lipstick? I think I have to open this side to get it. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, ganyan lang. Okay? So, let's try our lip liner. Yan. Gusto ko mag-line sa labas. Kasi uso na yan ngayon. Para kunwari may filler tayo. Tingnan nyo, this one is with the lip liner and this one wala. Diba? Ganda. Yan. Mag-line lang tayo dyan. Yan. Gusto kong ganyan. Yan. Now the lipstick. Oh, nice. With the liner. Without liner. Obviously, with the lip liner. So hurry and buy your MAC right now at Ximending.